Hello everyone. Welcome to Equal Constraint. Equal constraint make lines or entities of geometry have the length or the same size. You could see in the design area there are two lines. This one is longer than another one. If you would like to make these two lines has the same dimension, first we have click to select both lines. Click the long one. Hold shift on keyboard, click another one. Click the equal constraint. Now the lines are applied equal constraint. For the right side of the design area, there are three different size of circles. If you would like to make the radius of these circles has the same dimension, what we need to do first is clicking to select all the circle by using shift key plus the left mouse. Click the equal constraint. Now all the circles have the same length dimension of radius because the circles are applied by equal constraint.